Deshhazad must be very upset with himself. How in the world I could drop that catch? Look at my figures, destroyed to 31 now. Can you do that, Shahzad?
Well, just as we said, 98, 13 fours, 3 sixes. Is this the ball? Is this the ball of the first century? This is Salah Sport Cricket League. Oh, misses it there, Shahzad. Couldn't get the connection. 2 more balls to go.
I tell you what, 99 has been scored by Rahmanullah Gurbaz. So this has been such a milestone. Rahmanullah Gurbaz arriving at 99 has not been able to reach the milestone 100. Can Shahzad do that? Kareem Jannat, Imran Jannat. Can we see one from Shahzad Mohammadi be the first of this Shpږیزه Cricket League 2020?
Well, here we go. And there it is. A brilliant century for Mohammad Shahzad.
Goes the bat in the air.
What an innings there. What an entertainment. What a player.
Copies Gulbadin Nayib. Gesture. Gulbadin Nayib giving it a... He knows he's pumped up. Raises his bat.
But he was. And then he joined the party, Mohammad Shahzad Shinwari, losing his wickets there. Kareem Jannat, the one who takes wicket, and then Shahzad just continuing his form. Some brilliant shots there, typical of Mo Shahzad.
Ashmadullah Shahidi came but could not continue to stay for long and chipped this a good catch from Hamza Hotak. And after that, ladies and gentlemen, then we saw Shahzad Mohammadi changing gears and hitting it to all corners and sparing no one, not the one who dropped his catch.
Yes, indeed, some brilliant shots there from Shahzad. Well, equally well complemented there by Qamai Sadran. Shahzad just playing his part.
What is this going to be? It's a maximum! Is it? Has it been the field? No, it hasn't! Fielder's conversion.
Oh, he's dropped the catch.
Drop the catch. Everything happening out there.
2 runs taken. Opportunity there once again in the field. Had to cover a lot of ground to get there to take the catch. Gulbadin going for the big booming shot, slicing it over. It was in the air for a long time. Fieldsman came in, reached. Taking a single won't be a good thing to do at this juncture of the game. The amount of experience that Shahpur has.
Mr. Ainak have been very generous. They've already offered them 2 chances. Come on, can you finally make your 50 and take this game away from Mr. Ainak Knights? That what must they be saying? You can't be giving away chances. That was a tough one. Yes, indeed, it was high in the air. But what's on this ball? What's it going to be, 50 or not? York length.
And there is a single. And there is a single.
Indeed, it was high in the air. But what's on this ball? What's it going to be, 50 or not? York length.
And there is a single. And there is a single. So 50 is raised, and there comes the celebration. And there comes the celebration from the teammates and the fans also alike. What an entertaining innings from him.
Who did he pose to?
Worked away on the onside. He's going to take a single. Gulbadin will have the strike. He will have the strike. There is a bit of fumble there while collecting the ball. So it's score stable. 1 to win of the final delivery. 1 to win of the final delivery. Gulbadin had a strike. And Midon is also coming inside the 30-yard circle and further in. They got finally inside the circle. Single boundary. What is the option? He's thinking everything. Can he summon up the delivery to pass on the wicket here? No, he hits it. He hits it into the gap. Naive. He's going to celebrate it like anything. What an innings.
Wow.
What a celebration.
Look at the celebration. Look at the celebration. They look pumped up, and why not? The dugout looks very much happy. He looks angry and happy. He's made it.
Very Shahzad is looking at his fans also. It was a superlative innings from Mohammad Shahzad. Then the confrontation, the contest, the competition for places, and that's where he has tried once again under pressure. From unlikely situation, he has delivered the punch for his team. Gulbadin Nayib, this is how he finished. Most of the fieldsmen inside the circle. He hit that one in the air, but into the gap, and he was pumped up. He celebrated with full gusto. What a win for the team, most defenders. This has been a miraculous